Hello and welcome everyone. I Piyush Patel on behalf of Profit From It welcome you on the discussion of packaged food industry. Today we are going to see total packaged food industry, their past, their present, their prospectus, some good companies, some bad companies, and what can we expect from these companies. Before we look on these companies, let me announce two important events which are going to come. First is 1st November. This Sunday, we are going to do the result update meet for Maharashtra investors. As you know, since last 5 years, we are coming to Maharashtra every year. Till now, we have visited Mumbai, Pune, both cities. So every year we get together and discuss about latest results and demanding industries. This year, due to pandemic, we would not meet live, but yeah, it would be online. So don't forget, 1st November, Sunday morning, 9:59. Apart from this, 3 hour result update meet every year, annual result update meet from 8th November, a new batch of those students would be started who are seeking to learn technical and fundamental analysis for not trading, for wealth creation. If we are looking to create wealth from stock market, then yes, this workshop which is going to get started from 8 November can help you a lot. It would be totally practical, right? So thank you so much. Let us start our discussion on packaged food industry. So why packaged food industry? Packaged food industry is an important industry during pandemic. This is the industry which is not falling. In fact, it is growing. This industry is one of the top growing industries, which has grown by 15% CAGR since the last 2 decades. Two companies are in Nifty 50 from this sector. India's fifth largest industry with the worth of around 3 lakh crore sales and around 50% from the organized market. 50% organized market से आता है. Post GST, this gap is filling fast. Companies are becoming organized as GDP per capita of country is growing. This industry could gain high volumes. Companies from this sector have a long profitable history. There are around 50 listed companies from this sector, right? Which are those companies? Some are in like proper packaged food like Nestle, Maggi, Nescoffee type of. Some like biscuit manufacturing companies like Britannia. Some are rice exporting companies. So there are variety of companies. Or up out of the 50 listed companies, today we are going to see which are better. India to be the world third largest, biggest packaged food market till 2030. Britannia and Nestle, these both companies are based from this sector. GSK was also a very good company, which was the third largest company, but now it's merged with HUL. Gives around 3 lakh crore market cap, but sales are only 60,000 crore. So huge gap. Generally, it should be nearby. Why there's huge gap? Because packaged food industry is getting high premium. Some of the companies are consistent profit making since long time, so they get a huge premium. So despite 60,000 crore turnover, 3 lakh crore market cap, two companies in Nifty 50, which one? Nestle and Britannia. Yeah, and I'm happy to tell you that both of these companies were not in Nifty, and you have been investing in both of these companies since long time, and see today both of these companies have entered into Nifty 50. King, see out of this 3 lakh crore market cap, Nestle alone have 1.5 lakh crore market cap. आधा market cap Nestle का, आधे में बाकी 40-50 companies. Huge difference. See, you know why. We'll discuss it later during Nestle's discussion. Even Britannia, that's also a good company with around 80,000 crore market cap. Now see, Britannia biscuit making company. You know market cap of Tata Steel, you know market cap of Hero Honda. Britannia biscuit manufacturer is having more market cap than both of these companies. Right? So that's great. Revenue. of Nestle is 12,000 crore and Britannia same. Both are having majority of the profit from whole sector is from both of these companies with very low equity. See both, you can see Nestle with only 100 crore equity making profit of 2,000 crore. Britannia with only 24 crore equity making 1,400 crore profit. So that's good thing. Huge reserve both of these companies. So it shows the stability and that is the reason they are having high market share, right? So if you talk about quality, again, Nestle Britannia with one of the top margins, profit margins. Why profit margin? Because they are low debt. Almost we can say Nestle is a debt-free company, right? Britannia also very low debt. Yes, you will say Piyush bhai Nestle में थोड़ा debt दिखता है. That is not their debt. That is actually a scheme for employee, right? So debt paying capacity of Nestle, Britannia are very good. Even this ADF food is having good debt paying capacity, good margin. Right? Return on paid up equity of Britannia and Nestle are best. So we can say market share of Nestle Britannia are a top, and even quality wise, these both companies are top companies. If you check their growth, we can see here that during last 2 decades, your Britannia and Nestle both have grown by around 13%. Sales. Profits have grown by more than 15% in case of both of these companies. Right? So yes, sales, profit both are outperforming India. This is a demanding industry. That is the reason you got high return from both of these companies. You can see Britannia and Nestle both have given around 20% CAGR return with consistent dividend. In fact, Nestle is distributing around 50% dividend every year. Right? Current year, abhi ke kya haal hai? Current year during this Corona time, both of these companies are having positive growth. You can see Britannia with 19% sales growth, Nestle with 8% sales growth. So both are in double digit. Profits of Britannia has boomed by 60% and Nestle by 7%. So during this time, majority of the industry, GDP have fallen by 29%, 23.9%. Packaged food industry is growing by double digit. It suggests you that this is the industry which is going to outperform India even in coming 5-10 years. Focus karna padega idhar. Which company we will focus? Britannia, Nestle, no doubt about it. अब सोचोगे पीयूष भाई कोई छोटी कंपनी बताओ, है कि नहीं? अब ये सेक्टर में, इन दिस सेक्टर, Britannia and Nestle have survived during tough times. कम जीडीपी पर कैपिटा, इंडिया जब लो इनकम कंट्री है, वो समय पे ये दोनों कंपनियां सस्टेन की है. As India is going to increase its GDP per capita, these companies are going to increase their share. Let us begin with Britannia. As you can see, sales growth 19 and 59%. Don't be happy, it is less than expected. But still, it is not bad growth, and we are going to see this company perform very good in coming 5-10 years. Britannia is India's leading food company, a very good, debt-free, and one of the best in the terms of return on paid-up equity. The company that is able to improve sales by 15x and profit by 70x just in the last 2 decades. The revenue and profits during the year 1997 were 600 crore and 15 crore respectively. While today able to do revenue and profit of around 12,000 crore and 1,400 crore respectively. Can you see consistent growth in their sales and profit? Wonderful, right? You cannot see a year where their sales have fallen. You cannot find a year in last 25 years when they made losses. This is called as consistency brand, and we can create wealth in this type of company. Consistent performance with continuous cash flow. Last year was the 101-year celebration. Kitna purana company hai. Great journey. Investment of 1 lakh should be more than 2 crore along with 5-time value returned via dividend. If invested 3 decades back, many people in this group would be smiling. as they read this result, and they have been holding it since 200 rupees. हाँ, जानता हूँ तुम्हारे नाम. And have seen prices moving 15x in the last decade. पता है जब भी हम कहते हैं ना ये कंपनी में 20 साल पहले लगाया होता अभी इतना होता. देखो सही बात में कहे तो these are stories. अब कहोगे तब तो हम थे नहीं. अरे 20 साल बाद तो किसी को स्टोरी बोल सकेंगे कि नहीं कि हम लोग 2020 में पैसा डाल रहे थे कि यही स्टोरी बोलते जाएंगे. Right? Companies are not going to close in 10, 15 years. These companies are going to stay for 50, 100 years. Right? So let us begin our story from today itself. Again, I see when we have bought this company, let me show you. 2010 में, when I found this company, I saw this consistency. मैं सोचता था आज इस कंपनी का टर्नओवर 4000 करोड़ है. काश मैं लूं और 10,000 करोड़ हो जाए. पर ऐसा तो होता नहीं है. पीयूष पटेल शेयर लेगा तो गिरने ही वाला है. अपने को तो ऐसा ही होता है ना. मैं सोचता था 3-4 हजार करोड़ का धंधा क्या मेरे लेने के बाद भी बढ़ेगा. 4,000 करोड़ का धंधा था. 100 करोड़ का प्रॉफिट था. सॉरी या 100 करोड़ प्रॉफिट था. देखो आज 10 साल हो गए इस बात को. आज धंधा 11,000 12,000 करोड़ पहुंच गया. प्रॉफिट 1400 करोड़ पहुंच गया. So yes, we invested during 100 crore. Today profit rate 1400 crore. That is the reason. Wealth has been created in this company. है ना. जब हमने लिया EPS कितना था? अर्निंग पर शेयर 10 रुपीस है ना. 10 रुपया. उसके बाद तो बोनस भी मिला हुआ है. राइट. आज का EPS कितना हुआ? 58 आफ्टर दिस बोनस एंड एवरीथिंग. राइट. तो अर्निंग इज इंक्रीजिंग. Right? After you're buying at 200, it has fallen 50% cut. And we have not seen the stock. This stock rally for long 4 years. I know. It again fell from 1700 to 1200 during 2016. Again लोग बोलते थे अरे बेचो यार इसको कहीं नहीं चला तो ये. Now see today is the history. When you bought, it was not in Nifty. Today it is in Nifty. So falls are part of your life. घबराने का नहीं. 50% fall is normal fall. ये मत बोलो यार बहुत गिरा है. कुछ लोग तो बोलते हैं पीयूष भाई ये तो 10% गिर गया बहुत गिरा है. अरे 10% तो यूं ही गिर जाते हैं. एक दिन में गिरते हैं शेयर. 25% से तो शुरू होता है. जब तक 25% शेयर गिरे नहीं घर से बाहर नहीं निकलने का भाई. राइट. You bought this company when it was in Nifty 200 and today it is in top 20. Congratulations. So the current H1 post-COVID revenue have grown by a booming 19%. But still it was little less than expected. हम कितना expect करते थे? 29. Profit have grown by 59. ये भी हम expect करते थे 100% profit. तो थोड़ा इसी वजह से रिजल्ट के बाद भी नीचे आ रहा है. गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी. आप में से जो लोग कहते थे मैं रह गया, बी एक्टिव हो जाओ. न्यू बाइंग अगेन कुड बी डन ड्यूरिंग एनी फॉल नियर 2900. अभी कितना चल रहा है? 3500. 2900 के करीब एक्टिव हो जाने का. And should hold this wealth creator with a mid-term target of 8400. See what I expect in coming 4 years. We are going to see this share rally towards 8400. Associated Biscuit is the promoter with around 51% stake, along with FII with 16% holding and 12% with mutual fund and insurance companies. LIC के पास 6% stake है. Retailer के पास कितना है? COVID-19 has brought about a situation whereby companies are witnessing tectonic shift in economic growth and consumer behavior across the world. While the government ended the lockdown, it appears that it will take a while for the situation to normalize. तुरंत थोड़ी ना हो जाएगा. Their journey to become total food company is progressing with a good response to new product, with treat wafers, Winkin cow milkshakes, right? तो ऐड करते जाओ. देखो LIC have also added around 15,000 shares last year, 3200 के करीब. अब आप 2900 पे लोगे तो उनसे तो अच्छे भाव पे ले रहे हो. You're buying at 2500. अभी तो आपने 2500 पे लिया कोरोना में. LIC से तो अच्छा डील है कि नहीं. अलर्ट रहने का जब भी गिरे बाजार. Right? Now let us discuss of Nestle. नेस्टले अभी क्या भाव है? 16,000. कंपनी दिस नेस्टले वाज फाउंडेड इन 1866 इन स्विट्जरलैंड. कुछ लोग कहते हैं पीयूष भाई 10 साल बाद कंपनी बंद हो गई तो, अरे हम भी तो बंद हो जाने वाले एक दिन, पर ये सोच के थोड़ी ना लेंगे, राइट. कंपनियां जिंदगी भर रह सकती है जब तक लोग कमाएंगे, खर्चा करेंगे और आपकी कंपनियां चलती जा सकती है. तो नेस्टले 1866 में स्विट्जरलैंड में शुरुआत हुई थी एज अ कंडेंस्ड मिल्क कंपनी. टुडे दे आर हैविंग अराउंड 3 लाख एम्प्लॉइज अराउंड द वर्ल्ड और 50,000 करोड़ का प्रॉफिट करती है. अपना रिलायंस कितना करता है? 39,000 करोड़. तो रिलायंस से ज्यादा प्रॉफिट है इसका एन्युअली, वर्ल्ड वाइड कह रहा हूं. नेस्टले का भारत के साथ रिलेशनशिप क्या है? नेस्टले's रिलेशनशिप विथ इंडिया डेट बैक टू 1912. आजादी से पहले 108 साल हो गए. when it began trading as the Nestle Anglo-Swiss Condensed Milk Company Export Limited, importing and selling finished product in the Indian market. Right? भारत के मार्केट में finished product सेल करते थे. They were doing revenue and profit of around 2,000 crore and 175 crore during 2001. आज ये लोग 12,000 करोड़ का धंधा 2,000 करोड़ का प्रॉफिट करते हैं. 6 गुना बढ़ गए ये लोग पिछले 2 दशक में. 13% के CAGR से इनका बिजनेस बढ़ा है. 1 लाख अगर हमने निवेश किया होता 2 करोड़ वैल्यू है. और डिविडेंड, ये कोई भी मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज जनरली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट ह्यूज डिविडेंड, राइट. दिस कंपनी ऑल्सो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट 50% डिविडेंड. तो देखो रिटायर लोगों के लिए तो ऐसी कंपनियां ज्यादा अच्छी है, क्योंकि बाकी की कंपनियों में मुझे कहना पड़ता है कि भी 11 साल के बाद तो कंपाउंडिंग चालू होगा, मिनिमम वी नीड 11%. बट इफ वी आर रिटायर्ड, yes we can see this type of high dividend giving companies, तो अभी भी अच्छा पैसा मिलेगा. consistent CAGR in the price of 20%, not for last 20 years. 30 साल से इसने 20% रिटर्न दिया है. good consistent profit, a company with the highest margin, world top brand like Nescafe, Kit Kat, Maggi are created by Nestle. ना बता दूं, जो भी इन लोगों ने ब्रांड बनाया है बढ़िया बनाया है. अभी इनके जो रिजल्ट आए, those are not H1, these are 9-month result, because this is a multinational company and they announce result Jan to December. During pandemic, when majority of the sectors have shown negative growth, revenue and profit of Nestle have grown by 8% respectively. It shows good growth despite the slowdown. Yeah, profits were down due to high commodity prices like milk. Raw material was also high, and raw material is 50% of the total cost in this type of companies. Boosted by an increase, their sales is boosted by an increase in home consumption. देखो पैनाडेमिक के समय क्या हुआ? इन होम कंजप्शन इंक्रीज हुआ, आउट होम कंजप्शन थोड़ा डिक्रीज हुआ था. उनकी जो की ब्रांड है मैगी, मैगी नूडल, मतलब मैगी नूडल, मैगी सॉस, किटकैट, नेस्ले मंच, नेस्कैफे क्लासिक, नेस्कैफे सनराइज, नेस्कैफे सनराइज, इन सब में डबल डिजिट ग्रोथ दिखा है दोस्तों. Just think about it. 85% of their product portfolio are leader in market. मतलब ये लोग कोई आलतू फालतू प्रोडक्ट नहीं बनाते. वो लॉन्च करते हैं तो ये मान के चलते कि we should be leader in this product. Very good strategy. That is the reason they are having getting high market cap. Concentration in e-commerce right now. Contribution from e-commerce went up significantly by 97% now. Now it's contributing around 4% of total sale, while out of home sector performance was subdued. No need to disturb this value creating investment if we hold. New buying again can be done during any fall around 13,500. क्या भाव है अभी? अभी कितना भाव है? 16,000, 13,500 के करीब लेने का, right? We can add during 13,500. Last quarter we have recommended to buy near 12,500, so we are upgrading price by 1,000 and can hold it for long term wealth. Going to launch organic products soon. Plans to invest the further 2,600 crore in India. India में किधर? In Gujarat. Gujarat में किधर? In Sanand, right? So they are about to invest 2,600 crore rupees in a plant at Sanand in coming 3-4 years. 63% promoter holding, 13% FPI, 8% mutual fund and insurance companies. Retailer किधर है? लॉस कंपनीज में उनको ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट है, क्योंकि भाव देखेंगे, बोलेंगे 12,000 का नहीं लेने का. डोंट फोकस ऑन प्राइस, फोकस ऑन वैल्यू. राइट, यू कैन सी द चार्ट ऑफ दिस कंपनी. मैंने आपको इधर रिकमेंड किया है. राइट, कुछ लोग कहते हैं वेल्थ क्रिएटिंग कंपनी हाथ में नहीं लगती है, झूठ बोलते हो लोग. जब नीचे आ रहा होता है ना, तब उनका ध्यान नहीं होता है, क्योंकि वो घबराए फिर रहे होते हैं. उनको इंटरेस्ट ही बाजार में तब आता है जब बाजार चलता है. यहाँ आराम किया था कि नहीं नेस्ले ने, इधर आराम कितना लंबा आराम किया था, पर तब उनको इंटरेस्ट नहीं होता है. गेट इंटरेस्टेड व्हेनेवर योर स्टॉक एंटर इनटू आराम मोड. ब्रिटानिया, नेस्ले दोनों अभी आराम में है, एसआईपी करते जाओ. राइट, थैंक यू सो मच, बेस्ट ऑफ लक.